Hi guys! We are still in Sicily, in a wonderful location with the Mediterranean and Mount San Calogero behind of me, and with Maria, an authentic housewife, for a special cooking lesson.
Hi, American friends. I'm Maria.
Maria, what are you going to teach us today?
We make fresh pasta, fettuccine.
Don't worry, she's not dangerous. Maria, what do you need to make fresh pasta?
We need the flour, salt, water, and one egg. And much work. It's important to make a cracker, to put the egg, the salt, water, and mix everything. It's hard work. We need a little bit of flour because it's too soft. Okay? Long work and hard. Look, now it's very nice, delicious. Smooth. Okay? Now we need the film for put in the refrigerator about 1 hour because I need to rest the pasta. I'm sorry for the bad English, but I'll be learn later. Bye bye, I see you later. Hi again. Now we are ready to stand first and make a fettuccine. I show you how. Put the flour, all the way flour. We are never got fettuccine. If you like it, pappardelle are more large and the fettuccine are smaller. My American friend, I wait for you in Sicily for making fettuccine together. Okay, the fettuccine are ready to dry about 2 hours. And enjoy this lesson. I hope you are enjoying with me.
Maria, this is amazing. Well done.
Yes,
It's hard work.
yes, it is.
Would you like to share with your friends, with your American friends, your secret?
Oh yes, when you cook the tagliatelle, you put 1 tablespoon olive oil in the water.
Thank you so much.
You're
So
welcome.
guys, that's all. Stay tuned. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.